walk into the past. One of the best examples of historic wagon tracks in all of the San Luis Valley is just a few hundred feet over this hill. Let's go. Really nice example of ripples right there. Beautiful. Yes.
Wagon wheels.
All right, here's the beginning of some of the wagon wheel tracks. Cart ruts. And they came up and around here. Yeah, someone ruined it. And this is the old Santa Fe Trail, or just some random ruts from logging. I doubt it. Pretty awesome. What doesn't make sense is why are they going over here? There seems to be easier ways through here. It's not lost ancient technology either. It's just a cart rut. Whew. How many carts? How many loads? Pretty interesting. You can also see here in the mound in the middle where parts of the wagon or whatever hit.
Like grooves.
Yeah, slashed it.
Yeah.
The infamous cart ruts. Look, stick your hand in there so we get a little scale. Sweet. Penitente Canyon. We're dropping in. And over to the right, we can see the giant megalithic block. As we go deeper into Witch's Canyon. The mystery deepens. Yeah, buddy.
Laughing at it. Wow. Oh, man. Not through.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ah, rad. What spot's that?
Where like main card where we saw those fibers.
Yeah.